Real quick before the video starts, I just want to let you guys know I finally got some stickers made and I think they came out sick. So I'm going to be putting the link in the description in case you guys want to cop one up. I'm going to be posting them up for $5. Shout out to all you guys that be watching the videos, supporting, commenting. You guys be giving me pointers on what to do, what not to do. So again, I'll be posting these up for sale, $5. Links in the description. So yeah, let's get back to the video. All right, what's up you guys? So on today's video, we're gonna be putting a Heli-Coil on the intake manifold because where this bolt goes on the fuel rail to the manifold is pretty messed up in there. Now as you guys can see, my injectors are very loose and I've been running it like that the whole time. So today we're fixing that. So first thing I'm gonna have to do is take these 10 AM fittings off for the catch can, move that to the side, take these two bolts off, pull the fuel rail out. A little tip, you're gonna want to open the gas lid just so it can release all the pressure. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that's the first thing you want to do. That way when you take the fuel rail off, the fuel doesn't just splatter everywhere. So now we're just gonna take off these fittings and then the two bolts and go from there. It barely clears the top of the clip of the injector. These are finally off. Next thing to do is just take these 12mm bolts off and then go from there. But as you guys can see, it's already pretty loose. Forgot to show you guys, but this is what I'm gonna be using today. I got this off of Amazon. There's the size in case any of you guys are wondering. I'll put the link in the description in case you guys want to get the same one, but there's 30 of the Heli-Coils in there. Comes with everything. All you need is a drill. That's pretty much it. But forgot to mention that in the beginning, but yep, that's what we're going to be using. And I've never done this before, so let's see how this goes. But it looks pretty simple. Just drill it out, tap it, insert it, done. Also, I'll show you guys where I got these right now. They're little spacers. That way the whole bolt isn't just exposed. So if I have another one, I'll show you guys the packaging. I got it at Lowe's. Alright, just took that bolt off right down the fuel rail, and let's see if the threads match. Well, it does fit, so we're good. Should have unplugged the injectors before I did all this. Come on. Well, the O-rings are getting stuck in there, but should be fine. Alright, now I'm gonna just go ahead, cover up these holes, that way no shavings go in there, and then damn! Yep, they're pretty fucked up. I didn't think it was that bad. The other one kind of looks the same. I should just do both of them if I'm being honest. We're gonna start drilling it out. Next step is making the threads. I'm gonna put it as straight as possible. Alright, right there, it just bottomed out. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and remove it. Now you guys can see that there's some threads. I just gotta clean everything that's in the inside and then we'll insert the Heli-Coil. Alright, the compressor just turned off. This isn't working, so all I got is this. So I'm just gonna use the paint gun as my air. So this is trash. Alright, now we get the Heli-Coil and we get the little tool for it. Now the way you insert it is just like this. That's it. You guys, my phone might overheat right now because it's super hot outside, but hopefully it doesn't. You're gonna stop when the last thread is under the surface of the manifold. That should be good enough. Should look a little something like this. So now you guys see that little line in the middle? We're gonna get the other piece of the tool and hammer that little line on the bottom down or push, and now it's gone. So that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now we're just gonna do the other side. Alright, same process. We're gonna drill. finishing it off with this. There we go. That's done. Alright, there we go. Little things that had to be done that I've been slacking on. So finally got that fixed. I don't have to worry about that anymore, because I was always worrying about if I did a pour or something, the whole fucking thing would just lift. This side will lift because all the pressure's on this side, and yeah, so not a lot going on today, you guys. But give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.